What's up, my friends? Big George here. And, I wanted to talk to everybody out there. We're hearing a lot. The Fed just dropped the interest rate, 0.5. People are a little shocked. I haven't seen interest rates go down. So I kind of wanted to explain how that actually works a little bit. This was expected, okay? The whole Fed dropping the interest rate, that's been expected. Actually, rates dropped a few weeks ago, towards the beginning of September, actually. That's when the rates actually really dropped. So what happens is when rates drop, we kind of get a feeling ahead of time that's going to happen. So the market already bakes those rates in early, is actually how we say it. And so that's going to happen before the actual rate cut most of the time, okay? On the other hand, in the last couple of years when rates have popped up after this Fed has talked, that's because we're waiting. We know what they're gonna kind of do, but we're not really sure till they do it. So once they do start raising that rates, that's when you see some action happen in the market very, very quickly right after the Fed speaks. So when we're anticipating the rates to come down a little bit and we're getting verbiage from the Fed that's going to happen, these things tend to get baked in a little bit early. And then, when things kind of move up, that's where things kind of happen a lot faster. You actually want to be a little bit preemptive when that happens because, the Fed speaks and later that day, those prices, rates go up a little bit. So what that really means for the market right now is as rates come down, what people are seeing in the market and what buyers are seeing is they're waiting to see, hey, is prices going to continue to drop and everything. And I just want to remind everybody out there that we're still short of homes in this country, right about 5 million. Okay, so people are kind of priced out of the market, and as that rate comes down, they're going to get priced in the market, and you're going to see more people come back to the real estate market. Okay, and when that happens, you're going to start to see the inventory get taken up because right now we do have a good amount, 4 months of resale in the area, and new construction is still holding on strong. We're still taking about 30% of the market share right now. So as you start seeing that inventory deplete, you're going to start seeing those prices increase as those rates come down. So you've probably heard a million times, it's really not just because I sell real estate. Now is a good time. I feel, in my opinion, you have probably about 4 to 6 months before some of that inventory takes up, the rates go down, we get past the election, and, then you're going to probably see an uptick in the prices of the homes, to be perfectly honest. And you don't want to wait for that to happen. So if you find a home, if you're out there and you're looking, you find a home and you love that home and you like that area and you're like, this is the one, don't wait. You need to pull the trigger because it's not going to get much better. If you're waiting for rates to drop down into the 4% or lower again, that's never going to happen. You're going to rent for the rest of your life. So prepare yourself, educate yourself, listen to the professionals. Don't listen to your family friends who bought 2 houses in their life or maybe 4. Realistically, we have a lot more experience, many years in the business, and we know what's going on. So the old age answer to the question is, when is a good time to buy, is when you're ready. If you have money in the bank and you're ready to get into that home, that is when it's time to buy. That's the best time to buy for you. It's an individual question. It's not a one size fits all. So try to remember that as you're going into the market, or if you're thinking about coming into the market, get with your real estate professionals and, understand the market in the area. Understand why things are the way they are, and you'll make better decisions. If you're listening to people who do not do this for a living, you're going to make a lot of mistakes and you're going to miss a lot of really good opportunities, which I hate seeing happens when I do see that happen, because they're waiting for something that's just never going to happen. So I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you enjoyed my little TED Talk here, and I'll see you on the next video.